Sek, di ko sure kung nakita nyo na po ito, trending ngayon online. Ito pong Biliran Steel Bridge sa may Eastern Samar.
Yeah.
Nakikita
Sa
nyo po
Leyte yan,
yun,
sa
sa
Leyte.
Leyte, sorry po. Umuuga ng
Leyte po.
sobra dahil po dun sa lakas ng hangin. O ano po bang ano nun? Anong dahilan nun?
Hindi lang po yung hangin kasi marami ko yung overloaded trucks kasi that are passing through that bridge. And unfortunately, I think this is an old bridge. It's almost more than 50-year-old bridge, actually, itong Biliran Bridge. And our assessment is that there are, of course, I have to admit na there are loose bolts already underneath, no? And we need to replace these bolts and tighten them. Actually, yung mga ganun lang. Structurally, hindi naman yung bridge. It's only we need to retrofit actually and replace yung mga some parts of it, actually, including yung mga bolts that have been corroded at nag-worn out na po. Yun ang report nila sa akin kanina, and immediately after maka-procure ko kami doon sa mga necessary bolts, then it should not take so much of the time actually to do it actually po.
Do you have to close the bridge, Sec?
No, hindi. We are not considering to close the bridge actually, Ted. Actually, we just have to limit the
The loading.
for the time being,
Okay.
as we are trying to undertake yung rectification of
Okay.
the parts underneath.
Opo. So, meron ba tayong doon, way bridge na po? Kasi ang daming pasaway sa probinsya, sir. Pag wala nagbabantay po dyan, dadaanan yan. Oo.
Ito nga eh. Totoo, Ted. Ayan ang problema natin all over the country. Yung mga talagang 70% of loaded trucks are overloaded.
Sino magbabantay, Sec, bago humakatawid ang isang truck na punong-puno ng graba, for example?
Well, it is actually a tri-agency effort. Actually, dapat ito. Actually, DPWH should be the one to operate the machines for the weighing. LTO is the police should be the one to
Okay.
traffic, and LTO should be the one to issue the penalties or something. Yung mga ganun.
Opo, sige po. At saka yung LGU, kasi pag bumaksak itong tulay na ito, ang laking
LGU.
problema sa ekonomiya po nila. Lahat ito ibabangka na, no?
Tama po.
Opo, opo.
I hope that yung kagaya ng ginagawa ko nila dito sa Region 3, where they have prohibited actually yung mga overloaded trucks that are carrying sand and gravel, yung mga ganun po. They have already seen actually the damage that is being caused actually by the overloaded vehicle.